How to resolve backyard water problems, guaranteed.
So this is a very deep catch basin, but we're going to go ahead and install it right here. And excuse me, we need to drill holes in the bottom of it. It's important, you know, this thing acts just like a cork or a buoy. Since the ground's so saturated, it'd just push it right up out of the ground. So you got to put some holes in the bottom of it, put some gravel base underneath it.
No matter where you purchase a catch basin, you will have to drill holes in the bottom of it. Drill bit size can be anywhere from 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch.
Alright, I've put a couple extra holes here in the sides of it as well. I want that gravel to be able to encase this so it'll just filter all the dirt out, or most of it, after this all settles in. Last thing I'm going to do is put in an additional pipe hole, 4 inches, and use a 4 1/4 inch Lennox hole saw. That way I have an inlet and an outlet.
Most store-bought catch basins already have the inlet and outlet
And we're ready to get that installed. Just bring back a little bit of gravel.
The backyard was an absolute mud pit, even before I got started. Keep in mind, this is day 5 of the installation. There is also a lift system, sump pump and pit, along with solid pipe, taking this water on out to the street.
Push it downwards, it'll start sinking in. And what I want is the level, the bottom of the pipe, once I get the water level to start coming in from the side there, that's going to be just perfect. Alright, let's just put a small piece of pipe. There's a bell fitting right here, so I can just cut a piece of pipe to fit in there. And you want that to stick out into the basin about 1 inch. Remember, holes face down. You want that water to be picked up by the pipe down as low as it can, because water saturates from underground up. You do get surface water that comes off of here, but this is a hydrostatic table and it's up pretty high right now. So you want to be sure those holes face down. And here's another tip. Always put a 90 on at the beginning of the line or a catch basin, but the 90 is facing down into the gravel. That way no mud or debris can get into the pipe.
Perforated polyethylene pipe comes in 2 sizes, 4-inch and 3-inch pipe, 10-foot sections. Whenever possible, always use 4-inch pipe. It's much easier to maintain.
That looks real good. I just need to pull it back out of the catch basin, so there's just about 1 inch inside of the catch basin.
40-pound bags of 3/4 inch washed gravel are available at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Pretty much got all the gravel in there. We're into day 6, and the dog's allowed back out in the yard. We're going to throw it one time for Marty. Ready? Go get it. Here we go. Go!
With just 1 day
Beautiful dog.
of French drain operation, this yard is dry enough we can bring out the pup.
Ow. Ready? Okay, go. Here we go. One more time.
With no worries of mud being tracked back inside the house.
Going to have a nice dry yard. It's that guy. It's that guy. Working in my yard.
The installation of a French drain has made a miraculous change in this backyard.
it's nice to be done with a job of this size. Homeowners were so nice in accommodating the work that's being done here. But it's time to go. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain, reminding you it's easy once you know how.